In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a data source and an assistant from scratch. First, let's understand what a data source is. A data source is a fundamental element in building an intelligent assistant. It serves as the repository of information that your assistant will rely on to generate accurate responses. Now, let's get started by navigating to the Data Sources menu. Once there, click the Create Data Source button. This action will take you to the Add New Data Source page. Here, you will need to select the project for which the data source should be created. Next, specify the name of your data source, provide a short description, and decide if it should be shared with a project. EPAM AI Run supports various data sources, including Git, Confluence, Jira, File, and Google. For this demonstration, we will use the file format as our data source. Specifically, we will choose a BA guideline file, which contains valuable information regarding business analysis processes, methodologies, requirements, and other relevant topics. Let's proceed by creating a file data source. Upload a file from your device, making sure it is in the allowed format. You can find all acceptable formats mentioned below the input field. After clicking Create, you will be redirected to the data source page, where your newly created data source will be listed. Pay close attention to the data source status. It should be marked as completed, indicating it is ready for use. With the data source set up, we can now create an assistant that utilizes this data. We will create an assistant that helps business analysts catch up on knowledge in the business analysis field. Navigate to the Assistants menu and click on the Create Assistant button. This will take you to the Create Assistant page. Here, fill in the assistant properties, starting with a project. If you want a project team to see and use the assistant, enable the Shared with Project Team option. Provide a name and a slug for your assistant, along with a brief and relevant description that clearly reflects the assistant's purpose. In the System Instructions field, enter the prompt that will guide how the assistant's answers should be based on the data source. To integrate the previously created data source, use the Data Source Context drop-down menu. Here, you can select from all available data sources within the specified project. Once all fields are filled in, click on the Creates button. Follow the Assistants page where your assistant is located. Now, try working with your assistant to ensure it functions properly within the specified data source context. Click the Start Chat button and try to ask our assistant, what does INVEST stand for? See how the assistant provides a response based on the data source context. Integrating a data source is a straightforward process that significantly enhances the functionality and efficiency of your assistant. By ensuring your assistant is equipped with the right data, you empower it to deliver precise and helpful responses.